Alright, the girlfriend made me go on a hike today. Let's see how pretty it is. We're in Blackwater Falls, West Virginia. Oh my, yeah, it's actually really nice. Oh my god. Alright, time to go check out Lindy Point Overlook. It's a little trail. Let's see if we can identify some plants. There's rhododendron and mountain laurel. Some rhododendron. Some witch hazel. How's it going?
Good, how's it going?
Good, good. Ooh, I think this is sassafras. Wait, could be wrong. It's like a poplar or something. Here we go. This is sassafras. Greenbrier, but it's turning yellow. How's it going? Good, good. Hey, cutie dog.
Even better.
Oh, I'm okay, thank you. Have a fun hike. Ew, it's muddy. Yeah, these roots are sweet. Hey, what's up, friends? How's the view?
Pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, love it.
All the leaves are peaking.
Oh, very much so.
Love it. Glad you guys had fun. Ooh. Those guys smelled 420 friendly. Good for them. As you can do, listen to your heart.
Is that you?
It's not me. I did my shirt laundry. And I don't know why. Listen to your heart. What, they smell like California?
I've never been, so I don't know what it smells like.
Well, I'll tell you what, I was just in California, and that's what California smells like. It tells you goodbye. What, through that little, like, sneaker route? No.
Where do you think it's
Think we should? You going first? I'm at 5% bat. A little cliff to jump off of. All right, I think we're about ready to go on this deck, but I think there's a bunch of people here, so. Not bad. What do you rate it, babe? Is it a 9? I give it a 9. So you can go around off the deck if you want. Go out to this little area. .3% battery, we'll just keep it running until I run out. Let me walk back over here real quick. Actually, let's go this way. Listen to you. Pretty good, how are you?
Good, dude.
Good, I like your shirt.
Oh,
I
thanks.
think it's groovy.
It's totally my dad's.
Really? Stole it from Dad's closet.
It's so from
I like it.
Yep. He doesn't wear it.
You were like, Dad, I'm gonna might as well. Do you care if I look through your shirts? And you just like, you're like, Dad, I'll take that one. that
I'll
one."
take all these.
Hell yeah.
These are great.
Everything that's old is me and Dad.
Yeah. Kind of nice.